Hi, welcome back to Margaret Country Crafts and Miniatures. My name's Catherine. We have a very special video today, kind of out of the norm because it's Christmas in July. I have a video for you where we're going to be doing gingerbread DIYs, specifically two DIYs. One, I'm going to show you the DIY, and then the second one, I'm going to show you my gingerbread house. So the first gingerbread wood decor DIY. I have these wooden plaques that I got on clearance from Michael's Craft Store. Two of them are stand-up ornaments, and then the other two are stand-up gingerbread men. And I'm just taking the labels off of them. And I'm going to take this folk art home decor wood tint. And this makes a really nice wood tint, a really nice wood color. And we're going to stain these wooden pieces. Just using a foam brush to apply the stain. And I'm going to do the same with the gingerbread men pieces. And this was quite messy. I did get it on my hands. So warning, if you use this, take precautions. But luckily it is washable, so it came right off. And I'm just staining all the edges. So now that we've done that, I'm going to take the first ornament piece and I'm going to take some wall spackle. This is the DAP Fast and Final wall spackling. And we're going to create some faux icing on this gingerbread looking wood piece. I'm just taking my pencil and I'm just lightly scratching out a border because I don't want the icing or the wall spackling to be all over the entire wood piece. We want some of the wood to be showing through still. So I'm just using my fingers. You can use like a spatula or some other tool. I find working with this, it's just best to use your hands. So we've now smoothed it out into a circle shape, and I'm taking the eraser of this pencil and I'm going to draw some lines. I decided this wasn't the direction I wanted to go in, so I smoothed that over. But still using the eraser of my pencil, I'm going to do some lines going upwards on a curve to create like a beach ball look. I did again have to smooth over some of the lines because this took a lot of finessing of how many lines did I want, where did I want them, so that it would give the beach ball look. And I decided to go with 2 lines, and I think that gave us a beach ball look. And I have some folk art gold paint, and I'm just going to paint the very top of the ornament piece with this metallic gold paint. If you're liking this video, please like it. If you would like to subscribe, I would love that. Please subscribe. And please turn on the bell notification so you know when I upload. And then onto the gingerbread man. I'm going to take more of the wall spackling. And I tried using a foam brush to see if that would help smooth it out. It didn't really help at all. So back with using my fingers, using my hands, just gonna smooth it out over top. And back with the pencil. I debated putting a line here to make it a shirt and pants, and the pants have one button, but you'll see I didn't like that because I wanted the line for the pants to be a little bit lower. And just covering up that line that I made by smoothing it out makes it really easy, really simple to smooth out. And if you can't tell, we are trying to go with a theme of Christmas in July. And so this, I figured, mixes the two really well together. Christmas, July, summertime. And I just making some sunglasses with some more of the wall spackling. And onto the second gingerbread man piece. More of the wall spackling, just lathering that on. So we're going to make these gingerbread wood pieces into summery decor, but still being Christmassy because they're of a Christmas ornament and gingerbread men. And again, using the eraser of my pencil, I'm just going to carve out the lines and take away all the spackling that we don't want to use as a part of our design. And this one, I'm going to make it look like a bathing suit, like they're wearing a bathing suit. Like the gingerbread man or woman, actually, yeah, let's call it ginger woman, is wearing a bathing suit as part of our Christmas in July. And again, just using the eraser, which really picks up the wall spackling nicely. I'm able to just rub off the rest of it. And again, like I did with the last one, I'm just gonna make some sunglass shape out of some wall spackling on the head part. And just gonna take away all the excess. And there we have our two gingerbread people. And onto our last gingerbread ornament piece, wooden ornament piece. I'm gonna do similar to the first ornament piece that we did, or actually the exact same as the first ornament piece, because I want these to be symmetrical. So I'm gonna do two lines like I did with the first one, and this is gonna replicate like a beach ball look. And again, with the gold paint to bring out the top metal piece. Well, what is usually the metal piece of an ornament. And there we have it. We have our 4 Christmas in July, summery but also Christmassy decor pieces 2 beach ball ornaments, and 2 gingerbread man and woman. Now, for our little showcase feature of this video, I'm going to show you my DIY gingerbread house. So this is already done. I already did this a couple of years ago. I didn't film the progression or how I did it, but I'm going to try my best to explain all the little details that went into it. So we're going to start off with the wooden piece that I used to create the structure of my gingerbread house. So this wood piece is from Dollar Tree. So it was like $1.25 or $1.50. I don't know. Prices just keep going up and up and up. But this is my DIY gingerbread house. So I used wall spackling because that looks and works really well as a faux icing. And I just used it in a piping bag on certain spots like the windows, the doors, on the ground piece. This is all sitting on top of a canvas just from the dollar store. And I have a ton of faux candy looking embellishments. The little gumdrops, sugar-coated gumdrops are faux. They're not real. I got them off of Facebook Marketplace. Somebody was selling like a baggie full of them. They worked great for this project. There's a little close-up of the gumdrops. And I used 2 of those wooden gingerbread wood pieces from Dollar Tree to be on one end and on the other end. And then the roof I made out of wood topped up with oven baked clay, but I didn't bake it. I just left it as it was, and it's held up pretty nicely, not being baked. And then I used wood pieces as well to do the sides that join all the pieces together. The gingerbread men are from the dollar store, just as ornaments, and they're in this like silicone material, so it makes them really look like very candy icing like. So they worked great for this project. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. This one was quite a short one, but still a good one because it's Christmas in July. You know, we got to get ready for Christmas. It's coming before you know it. Be sure to comment down below what was your favorite DIY, what was your favorite piece of my DIY gingerbread house. Have a good one. Bye-bye.